Good day, everyone. I would like to express my sincerest gratitude to all generous donors who have extended their support to my child, Sus Manuel, and those who are willing to help in the days to come. Sus is in urgent need of open heart surgery due to the serious heart condition. This illness has taken away this ability to enjoy the simple joy of childhood, running, playing, and being active like other kids. As a parent, it is deeply painful to witness my child in this condition, but your kindness and generosity give us strength and hope. Your support means more than words can express. Every donation, every prayer, and every act of kindness bring us closer to giving my child a chance at a healthier and happier. You are making real difference, and for that I'm truly thankful to everyone who has helped, to those who are considering helping. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. My God bless you and families with love, good health, and happiness. Thank you, donors.